Dog's toothpaste with vanilla and beef taste. Item type, toothpaste set. Gender, dogs. Color, white. Type, vanilla, beef. Package includes 1 set. Characteristic. Helps reduce tartar and plaque buildup. Effective toothpaste cleaning, prevent bad breath. There are 2 flavors of toothpaste, flavor and beef flavor. Helps maintain healthy teeth and a happy lifestyle for your pet. The toothpaste is naturally edible, the cooperative toothbrush is more convenient to clean. A complete set of pet cleaning tools, the best choice for caring for pet teeth.
Click on the link in the description for the product. You can also find very good products if you visit my shop as supertopshop.com.